Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and carefully peel the rubber feet from the bottom cover. Remove 6 6mm screws and 2 4mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over and open it up. There are a couple of ways to remove the bottom cover. The easiest way is to use your palm to apply pressure to the bottom cover, and then use your fingers to pop the edges free from the palm rest. You could also gently insert the opener pick and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove 4 3mm screws from the battery. Carefully lift the battery to unplug and remove. Pull back on the side clips to pop the RAM free. Plug the RAM back into the motherboard and push down to secure it back into place. Line the battery plug up and plug it back in to set it back into place. Replace the 4 3mm screws back into the battery. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 6 6mm screws and 2 4mm screws back into the bottom cover. And finally, replace the rubber feet. These pieces can stretch if you pull on them too hard, so try to slowly work your way across the bottom cover, making sure the lengths match up.